All right, April 14th, 2018, Eagan, Minnesota. Somewhere in the United States it's spring and there's green leaves and blossoms and stuff. That somewhere is not here today. The house thermometer says the outside temperature is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. I think the official National Weather Service 25 degrees Fahrenheit. That's got to be at the airport. Oh, look! Looks like the plow came through. I get to shovel a big wad of stuff from the end of the driveway here. I should probably get that before it freezes solid. Because, you know, 25 degrees outside. Let's just take a... Very good. Alright, let's take a tour around the property, shall we? Here's our daughter's car. Now, how much snow is on the ground right now? Here, about... It's hard to say, but there's about an inch on top. Well, here, look at this. Look down here where I'm... It's about 4 inches in the driveway, about 4 inches of heavy, wet snow. That's on top of the ice balls and rain and stuff that came down yesterday. Let's go down this way and see what we got. Oh yeah, Maddie's happy. We got drifts. See where it was warm? We got icicles where it was warm. None up there because we have that great super duper insulation job that we did when we did that addition. Yeah, right down here there's about 4 inches. It's about 4 inches deep, maybe 3-4 inches so far. Oh yeah. What's it look like up that direction? I wonder if the camera catches the snow flying in here. It's almost horizontal. Let's go down this way. Let's take a stroll down Slippery Hill. Whoa! Maddie's happy. We're not going to go down the hill, Matt. We're just going to go down here and look. We might go down the hill later. Wait till winter kicks in. You hear the crow? I guess you can hear the crows through the wind howling. Here's the... We're not going to go down there, Matt. Down the hill. We'll go down the hill later. Come here. We're not going to do that right now. Come here, we're going to go around the property. Let's go back this way. You know, my fingers are getting kind of cold. Yeah, see all the green trees, all the buds? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. And that's why I'm not a singer. That's why you don't want me. I'll probably never get I'm the only one I know that was invited to never join the church choir, ever. The wind's blowing too much. The snow is not sticking inside the dog pen things the way it did 5 years ago. This is probably stuck open. I'll probably not be able to get that closed. I think our grandson's popped. Maddie! Our grandson's popped that open. Yeah, that's there until it thaws. Alright. Catch any of the wind in the microphone there? Oh, up the hill we go. Hee hum ho hum ho. I'm working on it. Yeah, good day to go out driving. Go out drift busting in the car. That was in my younger days. Got some of that wind. Even the dog wants in. And that is the tour around the house. Alright, let's turn the video off.